Chris, you doing okay? It's Mom and Dad. We thought we'd... Awakenings!
Peter, I'm not sure that's...
Awakenings!
You're gonna hurt him if
Awakenings!
Peter, knock it off. I never thought Chris would take things so hard. I think we went too far by killing Arthur Valentine. We have to bring him back to life.
What? Are you serious?
It's the only thing that'll snap him out of it.
Well, maybe, but what if I try it with a basketball? Awakenings! Oh, God, that broke his nose. He didn't even flinch. It's bad. Let's do your thing. Let's twirl some toilet paper up into his nose, and then we'll do your thing.